Welcome to the shop here, guys. So I've since opened up my own small engine shop. I got out of the hotshot trucking since I couldn't afford to do things the proper way with cargo insurance, commercial auto, and all the 100% legal and proper stuff. So I've moved on, opened up my own small engine shop. I'll do more of a video on that another day. Anyway, here we have a Polaris Sportsman 500H.O. I believe it's somewhere around a 2009. Came in for a no crank, no start issue. Battery was good, connections were good, got rid of all the extra connections and narrowed down just the main ones. I was starting to get worried that the speedometer was bad and everything. My phone's being stupid, so I don't have time for a long video here. Long story short, solenoid was good, battery was good, everything seemed to be good. I wasn't 100% sure how to test the ignition yet without a wiring diagram, so we just kind of started testing different things, and I was getting worried it was the speedometer. Well, it ended up being on the ignition back here, there is a white wire with a red stripe. You can't see it, but it's in there. It's going to be, I think, on the farthest side of the ignition. And turns out that wire was broken, and that is the cranking wire. So that is why the solenoid was not getting power when you turn the key to the start position. So I soldered and heat shrink that wire back together. Now, turn the key on. You can hear everything prime and run, and it fires right up. So if you have a no crank, no start issue, I recommend you start with checking your wiring harness, assuming the battery's good, solenoid good, and everything else is good, especially if you're not getting power from the key to your solenoid. You have to trace it back, figure out where you're losing that power. So this one ended up being a quick, simple repair. Now it's time for the tune-up, and we'll get it out of here. So anyway, I hope that helped. If it did, leave a thumbs up. We'll see you in the next one.